All right. So the question here is, what is the area of just this little shaded region of the circle? All right. So the way we're going to find this is we're going to do the area of the entire sector. All right. We had a formula for that. Sector area was 1/2 r squared theta. And then we're going to subtract off the area of the triangle. All right. So for the area of the triangle, we're going to use the little sine area formula, because you see here we got two sides and an included angle. All right. So let's get cracking. At the end of the video, I'm going to go back and show you another way that you could have done the sector area. Okay. So the full area of the circle is going to be, let's do it down here. Full area is going to be 1/2 r squared, which is 8, and then theta, which is my central angle of 100, but I have to convert this to radians, right? Because in order to use this formula, theta has to be in radians. So I'm going to take this and look for my pink pen. Nope. There it is. So I'm going to multiply this by 180 in the bottom and pi in the top. This will convert this thing over to radians. All right. And then I'm going to have to subtract the area of my triangle bit. All right. So minus, and then I need to work out the area of my triangle. Well, that's going to be 1/2. What was the formula? 1/2 ABC. 1/2 A. Oh gosh. 1/2 the two legs. So it's 8 times 8, and then sine of 100 degrees. There we go. This expression, when I work it out, I'm taking the entire section and then I'm minusing off the area of the triangle. I just got to work out what this comes out to. You could throw it into a calculator. I'm going to do a little bit of simplifying first here. All right, so 8 squared 64, but I'm going to take half of that. Half of 64 is 32, but then I'm going to multiply that by 100. Jeez. So 3,200 times pi over 180. I can actually cancel out a 0 or 2. There we go. Canceled out some zeros. And then minus, same thing here. 8 times 8 is 64, but I'm taking half of that, which is 32. Sine of 100. Okay, this is good. Yeah, from here, I'll just throw it in the calculator. All right, so I'm going to have 320 times pi over 18, so 3.14 over 18. Okay, and then minus 32 times the sine of 100. All right, so that's my answer. My area would be 24.31. All right, square units, I guess, if I were rounding it to 2 decimal places. So it's not too bad. So area of the entire one was my sector area formula. And then for the area of my triangle bit, I did 1/2 AB sine C. Now, if you want to find the area of this little sector part and you forget this formula, all right, the other way that like they'll show you online or show you in books is don't apply this formula is what they'll say. They're going to say pi r squared. This is the area of a full on circle, but you don't want a full circle. All right, so like we got pi times 8 squared here, but we don't want the entire thing. We only want a little bit of it. We want 100 out of 360 of it, right? And this is going to do the same thing as this down here. They're actually the exact same expression. All right, so you would just work this out by hand or calculator. So the area of just that little sector piece right there is going to be, let's see here, 64 times 3.14 times 100 out of 360. 55.82. That would be the area of just that little sector part right there. And if you wanted to change your degrees, you just change that little spot right there. All right, that's it for our sine area formula. Cool.